Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox game public. First, open Roblox Studio and load the game you wish to share. Once your project is open, locate the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it, and then select the Publish to Roblox option from the drop-down list that appears. This action prepares your game for public access. After publishing, the Game Settings window will appear. If it doesn't, you can find it under the File menu. Within this window, navigate to the Permissions tab. Here, you will see options for who can access your game. Select Public to ensure that all players on Roblox can find and join your creation. This is a crucial step for visibility. Once you have selected Public for your game's permissions, remember to click the Save button to apply these changes. After saving, you can close the Game Settings window. To verify that your game is indeed public, go to the Roblox website, search for your game, and attempt to join it. This confirms that players can now access your exciting new experience. With your game now public, it's time to share it with the world. Copy your game's unique URL directly from the Roblox website. You can then share this link with friends, family, and across your social media platforms to attract players. The more you share, the more people will discover your creation. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals to enhance your reading experience. Enjoy watching your player count grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.